In a world of content creation and YouTube videos, equipment that's good can cost quite a lot of money. As an example, on the desk here, we've got the DJI Mic 2 and the DJI receiver. The problem is, the DJI receiver for the mic costs twice as much as the mic itself. And you might think, but the mic is Bluetooth, so therefore I don't need the receiver if I'm just going to use it with my phone. But there's a problem, as always. Let me explain. You see, you can't change any of the settings on the DJI mic. So if it's too quiet, if it's too loud, if it's clipping, if it's set to a mode that you don't like, you need to then spend double the amount of the mic to get the receiver. That's a problem, isn't it? Because especially nowadays when things cost so much and we're not sure if something's going to work for us or not, it can be a big investment. And this is where this next gadget comes in, because quietly over in China, DJI have released this. This is a mobile phone receiver for the DJI mic. And you may be thinking to yourself, okay, but the mic's Bluetooth, so I can just connect it to my phone and use it that way. And you'd be right, you can use it that way, but as always, there's a problem because you can't change any settings. You can't use it as a lavalier mic. So for instance, when you go live on YouTube, if you've just got it connected as a Bluetooth mic, the YouTube app doesn't always recognize it, but it will recognize a USB mic. And this is where this comes in clutch. But not only that, this little device costs $15. This costs more than $115. Let's take a look at some of the features. Okay, so I've powered on my phone and I've got the DJI mobile receiver here. And I'm just going to move my phone up a little bit so you can see it. And I'm going to plug it in. I've got the mic turned off, so I'm going to turn the mic on. And you'll see this flashing blue light has now gone solid. And it comes up with this little pop-up. So it just gives you a few messages telling you what it is and blah, blah, blah. If we press OK to that, it will then fire up the DJI Mimo or Momo or however you pronounce it, Mimo app. And if you go to settings, you can now see, first of all, if I move that just down a little bit, that we have the DJI wireless mic set up now. Let's go through a few of these settings because this is honestly amazing, especially for the price. So first of all, if I just turn this microphone off, you'll see that on the screen it vanished and all you can see now is the receiver. So if I turn the microphone on again, and you'll see up here, the mic then appears. Now this receiver will allow you to synchronize a DJI Mic 2, a DJI Mic Mini and a DJI Mic 3. It'll allow you to synchronize two of them at once, and they don't have to be the same model. It doesn't work with the original DJI mic, but you can have a DJI Mic 2, and let's pretend a second that this is a DJI Mic 3. So we've got a DJI Mic 3 and a DJI Mic 2, and you can have them both connected, and it's not a problem, or a DJI Mic Mini, it doesn't matter. So you can then go into here, and you've got mono or stereo. If you set it to mono, you can also add a safety track, which basically records slightly lower volumes, therefore meaning you're not going to clip. You've got gain control down here. You've got monitor gain. You can plug in an external speaker to the side here, look. So you can plug in a speaker to the side here, and there is your settings to use it. You've got noise reduction. Now, you can press a button and you can turn on noise. No, you can't press a button actually. And the reason why you can't is because on the bottom of this, you've got O, L, and H. And as I change it, you can see on the screen. And this is your noise reduction. So O stands for off, L stands for basic, and H stands for strong or low, high. And then the other thing is we've got this here. So as I talk into this, you can see 1, 2, 1, 2. We are clipping slightly, but I've got it right next to my mouth. You can also format and delete everything off here on this app. And that initially looks brilliant, doesn't it? But there's even more, because if we press this, now we've got all of the settings that you needed the DJI receiver for. So you've got low cut, you've got clipping control, you've got 32-bit record that you can enable and disable. You can start up auto recording. You've got recording stop lock. You've got your vibration feedback. You can even, get this, you can even turn off the LED on the microphone. And there we go, you see. Boy Wonder absolutely is enamored by this. And you can turn it on and off as well. This is then set to auto off in 15 seconds if it doesn't connect. So a few use case scenarios for this, and what we'll do is I'll actually record something as well in a second, and then I'll clip it into this so you can hear just how good it actually sounds. But a few use case scenarios is, on Friday I did a live stream and I said I've got a gadget that costs not a lot of money and we've increased the audio quality for the live streams. That gadget was, of course, this. And like I say, you can connect this directly to your phone with Bluetooth, but you can't change the settings, and a lot of the time the YouTube app won't pick up a Bluetooth mic, but it will pick up a USB mic. So instantly it picked that up as a USB mic and we had no problems whatsoever with it. So you can increase the quality of your live stream straight away. And this phone is good. This phone is an S25 Ultra. It's got really good noise reduction and really good, audio. However, I'll do a couple of tests in a second whereby I'll film something on the desk and I'll put them into this video, and you tell me just what sounds better. In fact, let's do that right now. So let me just... This is a test, and in fact, let me put this on the screen so you know I'm not using it. This is a test of the Samsung S25 built-in microphone whilst recording. And now you can see I'm plugging in the mic and it's turned on.
It's already connected.
I don't actually think I have to press anything there. But when I record now, you'll see, look, it says recording audio through USB mic. So
that's actually really small.
If I do this, this is a test recording audio with the DJI Mic 2 and the DJI mobile receiver. I'll put both of those clips into this video for you guys to be able to see them. Now, if just very quickly, I'll show you that this does work as well. So we can see here 1, 2, and if I change that to 1, 2, we clip in and we're in the red straight away. And if I turn the gain all the way up to the top, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it really does work. And like I say, the thing is, when it comes to content creation, and this is sort of the general consensus for a lot of people, they will happily take poor video quality over poor audio quality every single day of the week, and twice on a Sunday. It's that important that you get your audio right, and I do have audio gremlins, but we're working through them and we're trying to fix them. And this little device will also help for when I'm out in the field doing the car and noise tests as well. So it'll keep everything really consistent and constant. So I'd highly recommend it. DJI did release this really quietly. They didn't announce it anywhere initially. I got a message from a guy over in China who's a friend of mine and said, have you got one of these? And I said, one of what? And then he told me, and then he said, right, I'll send you one. So I don't have the retail box for it, so I can't do a retail box unboxing, but this is it. It costs $14.99 on DJI's website. It is now on DJI's website. At the time of recording the first draft of this, it wasn't, but it is now. And I'd highly recommend you pick one up. I don't have an affiliate. I've got no dog in this game. I've got no horse in this race, whatever the phrase may be. But I would highly recommend it. It will help improve your content creation. And like I say, it saves you a fortune on buying one of those as well. If you've got any questions whatsoever, please do drop them in the comments down below. But until next time, peace out.
Peace out.
YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.